This is my sparrow baby bird. It's me adopted a baby sparrow in backyard.
I get my home with baby sparrow.
When it hears my voice, it runs away. It will ask me for food if it is hungry. He is very hungry. It has considered me its mom. He is now part of our family. He is a beautiful sparrow. Every day he is sleeping my hand. I put name now. His name Bublu. Hi Bublu. I open in cage every day at morning. My proudest moment for her was when she was first flying.
Bye. Bye.
I love you, my Bublu. I love you so much, my Bublu. I love you so much, my Bublu. I love you so much, my Bublu. My bird is not a pet, my Bublu, my family. My bird is not a pet, my Bublu, my family. Thanks for watching my video.